Hey streamers! In our previous video, I showed you how you can create this free-to-view live channel that you can use to go live. And in this video, I'm showing you how to actually go live. So first, I'm turning on my channel. This might take a minute. And once your channel has been turned on, you can choose to either go live via your browser, which is directly on your browser via your webcam, or alternatively, via an external streaming app such as OBS Studio, StreamYard, vMix, or whatever tool you choose. I'm going to be using OBS Studio for the purpose of this. OBS Studio is a free pro tool that you can use to broadcast live events. I'm going to settings and I'm pasting the stream key right over here and clicking on start streaming to actually start my stream. I'm going back to preview my changes, and as you can see, here is my live stream. So that's it. That's how you can go live with WpStream and OBS on your gaming site with the Hello WpStream theme. You can go picture-in-picture, you can go full screen and enjoy the full screen experience. And once you're done with the live stream, simply go back to OBS Studio and click on Stop Streaming. And that's it. Just like that, your live stream is over. You've conducted a successful live stream, and that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all our latest content because we're going to be releasing new videos soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!